Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join two pictures together, two passport pictures or whatever it is. Now, you can use Photoshop for this, but obviously now that there is AI, it's just going to be easier that way. So you're just going to take both of your passport pictures or of any pictures that you like, and I'm just going to type in join these two pictures together. I'm just going to press enter in Google Gemini, and it's just going to join the pictures together. It's that easy. Just a sec. Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe not like this. Maybe like, okay. Make these two pictures into just one picture and have them side by side and not split down the middle, maybe something like that. And hopefully it will actually make it not like the one before. I think I just had to perfect the prompt and it'll be that easy, but you can also edit using Canva if you like. I mean, the background is plain. See? Simple. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.